The 10 best places you need to visit in Germany. From cosmopolitan cities to fairy tale towns, and rolling valleys to scenic lake resorts, here are some of the best places to visit in Germany. 1. Berlin, the capital of cool. Exciting and vibrant, Germany's capital is the center for all that is hip in the worlds of art, fashion, music, and design. 2. The Black Forest, which inspired 1,000 fairy tales. Known for its dense, evergreen forests, and beautiful lakes and waterfalls, it's the ideal place to get back to nature, be it by foot, bike, or horseback. 3. Schloss Neuschwanstein, the real Sleeping Beauty castle. Speaking of Sleeping Beauty, Germany is also home to the breathtakingly beautiful castle that inspired Walt Disney's version of the palace at Disneyland. 4. Cologne, home of chocolate, beer, and a famous cathedral. The towering UNESCO World Heritage Site also houses the Ottonian Gero Cross, the oldest large sculpture of the crucified Christ, north of the Alps. 5. Bayreuth, famous for its opera and record-breaking beer museum. Every year, the northern Bavarian town of Bayreuth hosts the world-famous Richard Wagner Festival. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a masterpiece of Baroque theatre architecture. 6. The Upper Middle Rhine Valley, a wine lover's paradise. Extending across France, Germany, and Switzerland, the Upper Rhine Valley showcases the very best these three countries have to offer. The natural landscapes along the River Rhine have inspired many poets, painters, and composers over the past 2 centuries, and it's not hard to see why. 7. Munich, home of the world's biggest beer festival, Oktoberfest. One of the most cosmopolitan German cities to visit is undoubtedly Munich, the capital of Bavaria. If you don't fancy mingling with the masses, however, Munich is a fantastic city to enjoy all year round. 8. Lake Constance, a scenic gateway to the Alps. Those interested in culture, meanwhile, will discover numerous sites to explore in the lake cities of Constance, Lindau, Überlingen, and Friedrichshafen. They can also hop in a boat and venture to one of the lake's scenic islands. 9. Rothenburg ob der Tauber, Germany's dreamy fairy tale town. Meanwhile, the nearby Rathaus Town Hall boasts a 50-meter high tower which offers fantastic panoramic views over the city. 10. The Zugspitze, Germany's tallest mountain. If you want to know what it feels like to be on top of the world, or at least Germany, then a journey to the majestic peak of the Zugspitze will surely do it.